Welcome to Skill Pro.
This mini search engine is a great example of monitoring and easily finding databases when you have huge database. You can see in this video, we have a lot of material coming into the site with different metadata. So, when our boss asks for specific tagging or tag numbers, we can easily find it. Please follow these steps to create or develop your mini search engine. To start your mini search engine, just use the filter function. Combine with ISNUMBER and search function. Don't forget to make this cell reference absolute. Is now almost ready. Just need to modify the search box. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tricks. Thank you for watching.